So good day, Ma'am Abad. So today I'm going to tackle about my code that I make, no, to present to you, Ma'am. And yung first na ginawa ko dito is print out ko yung Medina, yung name ko tsaka yung section ko. Then this Python script is divided into two scenarios: the user authentication and the student score management. In the user authentication, ma'am, two Boolean variables is registered and is admin are defined. The script then prints registered user if is registered is true, otherwise it prints guest access. Similarly, it prints admin privileges if is admin is true. Otherwise, it prints regular user yun lang. In this case, no, since is registered is true and is admin is false, no, the output will display registered user and regular user. So yun yung first scenario na ginawa ko dito. Ito yung niya. So dito naman sa student score management. So in the student score management naman, different data structures, lists, tuples, and dictionaries are used. First, a list name scores continue 5 student scores. A new score 95 is added using append, and the lowest scores is removed using min and remove. Yun. The scores are then printed in descending order using sorted scores. Reverse is equal to true. Next, dito naman sa sa tuples ba to? Tuples, basta yun. So dito naman is a tuple name students stores 5 names. And the scripts prints the first and the last names using index position, or ito yun yan, ito tsaka ito, yan yun yung ano ba yun, index position. So dito naman sa then finally, no, dito na tayo sa dictionaries. So a dictionary names student data map student ID to their names and scores. So ito yung student data nila, no. Bali ito. Tapos yung scores nila is ito. Then the script retrieves and prints the entry for student ID 102 using get. Then ito yung get. Sana yun. Get, tapos updates their score to 95 and remove student ID 103 using puff. So dito guys, ni-remove nila yung student 103 using the data puff. Ito yung parang ito class ng variables naman is parang they use it to remove something. Ito yung parang task niya sa sa Java. Then the final student data is printed before the script ends with script section successful. So ito yung niya. Natin. So ito yan, no? User authentication, registered user, regular user, student score management. Yan yun. Sorted scores is 92, 95, 90, 88, 85. Tapos first is Josar, tapos last is Igron. Student 102, Jer is 90, updated Brian 78, final date 101, Josar 85, and 102 Jerian is 95. So script execution success complete. So yun lang po yung yung parang video presentation ko ngayon, ma'am. And I hope I'm doing good. And I hope may ako ay konting alam mo na yun na, ma'am. And so yan lang, ma'am. Have a good night and thank you for teaching us every day.